Now let me teach you how you guys can able to perform website hacking as well, like SQL injection, how you guys can able to gather the information about the website, each and everything. See, this is a single tool, okay, which can able to do the all stuffs, okay, simple. Just type there on Google RedHawk. Here you guys can able to see the first link. This is my favorite tool, okay, whenever in my personal Android device. Also there is a RedHawk is there, okay, yes. This is a very excellent C. Assume that the website is vulnerable with the SQL injection. This then it will show the parameters, okay, this is a very excellent feature right now. Simple see a basic scan site title new or just ignore it. So the simple thing is what you need to see. It can able to detect the CMS. Assume that the victim is running the WordPress Drupal or any other CMS platform. It will detect that cloud fire detection robot.txt scanner is there. See, I'm going to tell you about one script which can able to, I'm going to tell you in the next class, okay, who is lookup, is there geo IP lookup, is there a grabber banner, is a nothing but by using nemmap, it can able to grab the service. Version detection, each and everything. Okay, there is a DNS lookup, is there a subnet calculator is there, which is very important. And there is a nemmap port scan, each subdomain scanner is there. See, by using this one tool, you guys can able to perform this all stuffs. Okay, yes, this is thing. This is a very excellent one. Okay, according to me, right now, simple to install this. Just go back, go down here. It's a very easy process. See in the last class. What I did, I just installed the PHP, right? See usage in usage. Here you guys can able to see PHP. In the last classes, I just installed that one. So that's why I just installed the PHP. Now how to install this one, simple, the same process. Okay, just copy this git clone. Okay, from here to here, copy. It and simple. Let's open this terminal here, the Termux here. Now first of all, let me clear this. Just type enter. Sorry for this. I think it's having some buffer there. Okay, now simple, just paste it. Okay, I think it's not copied. Let's go back here. So it's a little bit slow. Sorry for that. Now let me copy it, man, copied, and let's go back to my Termux. I'll just paste it right. I'll just type enter. Here it is. I think it's having some kind of error. Yes, I know that. See here, there is a reuse to user, right? It's a kind of errors. That means it's not installed properly. This is a thing there. Let me tell you one thing, guys, now. How to remove this folders, okay? Now assume that I want to remove this. RedHawk, okay, how to remove it? Simple, just type ls here. You guys can able to see red. Now I need to remove this folder. Okay, now a folder or tool, it's totally depend upon you basically. It's a folder. Okay, now simple, just type here rf. Okay, just provide the folder name there. Okay, red, just type tab there. Now enter it, successfully deleted that folder. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me connect with my VPN, okay? Let's try again. Because it's a nothing but it's an IP issue. Okay, I'll just wait here. I just connected with my VPN now. Simple, let me paste that command there. This one, RedHawk, just type enter. This way it will take some time. So now it's installing properly, right? Successfully installed. Now simple, just type ls here. Sorry, ls, let me clear this one. Let me type again ls, right? And there is a RedHawk is there. Simple, just open that folder. Okay, just visit, just open it. Okay, simple, just change the directory to that folder. Simple, cd red, type r there. Type, sorry, capital right tab. Simple, type enter again. Type ls here. You guys can able to see there is a or hackhawk. PHP is there. You need to execute this one. Okay, which one? Just let me show you. Sorry, not this one, okay. Now here you guys can able to see to execute it, you just need to type there pep, okay, RedHawk, sorry, rock. PHP simple, whenever you see any kind of PHP script, you just need to run that one simple, just type PHP and just add the script name there. Okay, now simple here PHP or tab there. Now enter here, you guys can able to see the tool. Okay, now enter the website you want to scan. Let me target any random website from here. So let me target this one. Now the simple thing is first you just need to copy. Don't copy the HTTP. This protocol, simple copy from just copy the domain there. Okay, just let me see an Android device. Okay, let me copy this one right now. Let's go back, see the protocol here. The protocol is HTTP. Okay. Now let's go back to the Termux. Okay, enter the website you want to scan. Simple, just paste it website. Don't add the HTTP or something like that. Okay, now enter now here. The thing is enter 1 for HTTP, enter 2 for HTTPS. See my target website is using HTTP protocol. Okay, it's not using the HTTPS. So let me type enter. Let me type one there. Okay, because one for HTTP now type enter there. Now here there is a basic. It will gather the site title, IP address, CMS. Let me perform the basic scan. Type 0 there. Type enter. See, it's showing the output. It's using the Najix 1.19.0 version. CMS could not detect it. Say Cloudflare is there, not detected. Robot.txt, not there. I think it could not find. Scanning complete, type enter. Now let me scan the who is lookup as well. The number is 1 there. Let me show you. See the number. The number is what? 1 there. Simple. Let me type here 1 to perform who is lookup. So enter valid key required. Okay, I think it's having, let me type 1 there again for who is lookup. Okay, no problem. See what I do miss in my case. I form this one scan for everything is there right here. Let me show you this one I am talking about. This one, okay, scan for every, okay, this one here. It is right scan for everything simple. If you type it there, then what will happen? Means is it will scan the basic recon who is lookup geo IP lookup grab banners DNS lookup subnet calculator. It will do each and everything. Okay, so that's why. Let me type here A for all. Okay, the scanner scan for everything. Just type here and see the old lame scan. It will take a huge time. Okay, let me tell you this one. This thing, if you are performing the scanning on real website, then it will take huge time on it, okay, to perform the scan. But let me tell you, whenever you just performing the scanning or if you're using this kind of automated tools to perform vulnerability scanning at that time, just connect with VPN, okay, because they will block your IP address. This is a thing, okay, so that's why I just connected with the VPN, okay, so no problem. Let me type there A and just type enter. Now it will start the basic info. I don't want to pause the video, okay. Let's see the results. I think now I can able to see the who is lookup, okay, error, valid key required, okay. No problem, see there is a GeoIP lookup, is there, HTTP header is there, is a DNS lookup is there, this is a subnet calculator. Okay, it's having some, I think issue is here. Now there is a CSQL vulnerability scanner is here. Okay, I think parameters are not there. Okay, now there is a type and description, simple. Just use this one. Okay, 69. Now it will found the pages, okay, admin pages or any private folders. Okay, now let me stop this one. Okay, let me target some other website. Let me target this one. Let's copy from test2 here. Okay, let me copy it. See the protocol is HTTP. Now let's start this one. PHP rock, PHP, just type enter, page of website there, okay. And for HTTP, right, just type enter one. And here let me scan for everything, just type it there. And also check for updates. Okay, I think updates are not there. Just type enter there. Let me select the A. Sorry, I think Microsoft ICE 8.5. So just wait. Okay, it's taking some time here. Here, see, sometimes it can't able to grab the parameters or something like that. So if the site is vulnerable, okay, through SQL injection, sometimes it will work great. But on some website, it won't work. This is the thing here. The Nmap port scan is not working, I think, or I just need to install. Nmap manually, let me install that one as well. See here, it's finding the SQL while it's starting the SQL vulnerability scanner. See in this parameter, he can't able to find the script, can't able to find the C, don't able to find the vulnerability. Okay, see, don't depend upon these tools. Okay, it's for the easy process only. Like if you know manual stuffs, then it is good for you now just to find the admin pages or any private pages. Okay, I don't want to do this one, just simple CRLC to stop this one. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me go back and let me install the Nmap. Okay, just type here pg install Nmap. Now it will work. So it will take some time. Just wait. Okay, so we successfully installed this NMAP. Now let's go back and let me try it again. Okay, I'll just type here, just type LSA and there is a CD RedHawk is just capital, or just press the tab button there, just type enter and then just type ls. Let me execute this one. Just a php or hawk.php, just type enter now here. Just face the domain name. I think, okay, this one, just type enter. The protocol is what? HTTP, right? Let me use that one and let me scan this NMAP port scan. Okay, there is a 6, right? Just type enter. Let me see for the results. Okay, see if it doesn't work here. Then we can also manually we can able to perform that one. Okay. It's having some error right there. Okay, no problem. Control C to stop. Simple. Just type NMAP service version detection, right? Just type here -S capital V. Okay, you will get this all stops. Okay, now SV and just let me paste this one, the domain name. Okay, just enter there. Instead of domain, you guys can also type the IP. How to get the IP? Simple. Let me show you that one as well. Just click on new session and here just typing and paste the domain. And here you guys can able to see the IP address. Okay, let me stop this. Let's go back to one again. Here you guys can able to see the open ports. Okay, and also you guys can able to see the version. The version is what Microsoft ICE. HCTPD 8.5. Okay, this is a thing simple. Just search it on your Metasploit. If you find this exploit for this, then you guys can able to exploit it. Okay, by using Metasploit, which we just covered in Windows penetration testing training right now. Let me clear this one now. Let me teach you about phishing as well, how you guys can able to perform phishing, right? Thank you. Have a nice trip.